So here are 10 reasons why you don't have to believe in insurance, because it is not religion. Exactly. It's about taking responsibility for your life, showing up for your loved ones, and nobody has to worry about the time of need. Number two, in Nigeria, visibility attracts pressure, and then extended family requests start trooping in. Religion, community expectations, social obligation, opportunistic dependence. Insurance is the only money your family receives without explaining themselves to anyone. Number three is handing over every family risk to an insurance company. Therefore, none, I mean absolutely none of your family worries their head about anything again. Number four, in Nigeria, legacy often becomes litigation. Sibling fight here and there, second family survey. You remember that burial where a friend died or mom died, and you guys went for the burial. All of a sudden, some son came from a sister or a brother from another father surface. Come on now. Is it the customary laws versus the statutory laws? Delay inheritance, or lawyers benefiting more than the clients when it comes to fighting for the money in the bank or any other litigations? Come on. Insurance completely bypasses inheritance back. Pays who you choose, not who shouts the loudest. Because when it comes to insurance, when filling your phone, be confident that that person you put as your beneficiary, where you share, this one is taking 60, 20, 30, that is what we're going to do. I mean, they'll go drag up for the person account. So insurance converts grief into immediate stability. Insurance is inheritance without argument. Insurance is financial control in uncertain Nigeria. Banks promises access, investment promises returns, insurance promises outcome rather than profit, but he also gives profit and interest. Insurance does not ask, what if the market performs? Rather, the question is, what happens when life happens? Number six, without insurance, families beg for donations, right? Because you're dead and gone, they have nothing to fall back to. Or people go online to do GoFundMe or WhatsApp broadcast group, church, mosques, raise emergency funds, children are withdrawn from school, burial becomes a fundraiser. Insurance is a dignity protection. That is what insurance covers. Everything, and gives you dignity. Number seven, insurance protects your family from public embarrassment. Bills get paid. Children continue schooling with education protection insurance plan. Burials are handled with dignity. Family mourned without panic. Number eight, it's never unlikely that the government might fail you. It's actually very likely in an environment like Nigeria. Employers fail, of course, like I said earlier. Employers fail, like I said. They might tell you you have HMO, you have this, you have that, but none of them are actually fraud. They are not paying this shit. Bank changes rules here and there. Business collapse. Insurance works because it is contract based. It is pre-agreed. It is pre-agreed outcome. It is not emotions. It triggers automatically, just like that. Number nine, insurance is the only money that shows up exactly when your family needs it the most, quietly, without argument. Yeah. Banks and investments are visible wealth. Account balance can be frozen. Funds are contested in probate. Withdrawals are scrutinized. Business assets invite interference. But insurance is usually private design. Not only are we designed for risk, we are done privately. Privately designed is something that you can own without even your wife knowing. Like a gift you give to her if you're not here anymore, or a gift that a wife can give to her husband when she's not here anymore. How many of you watched Something About Love, the movie Bola Ogumola? Bolale Ogumala's movie only movie that she took to the cinemas with Daniel Etimefio. Where all of you were complaining about the whole kissing thingy because he's married. You remember that he went to school because of the huge insurance his mother actually bought. The money came, millions of naira. He could even go abroad, and he was the only child. That money could for his abroad studies. But the father felt frustrated, did not tell him, because he was still mourning his wife and felt useless. All his mates entered university. He was still at home waiting. If not for the mother sister that told us, your father has millions, your mother left for him through the insurance. Do you think they would have added that if they know it doesn't work? And that is why the rich continue to get rich. And when you see celebrities, you think, oh, they know more than you, or they are more intelligent than you. No, these things actually work. And it's a Nigerian movie in Nigerian settings, because these are how insurance helps children to go to school, to continue their lives. So insurance is privately designed. Who would have known? The boy did not know. It was not a public announcement. His friends had left him and gone to school. Nobody even knew there was money somewhere. So like I said, it's the only money that your family will take and lock up. Nobody even knows. So insurance is private. It's privately designed. And number 10, but not the least, accident happens, sudden illness, job loss, death, business interruption, fire, flood, theft. Insurance is not for good times alone. It is for Nigeria as it truly is. Because Nigeria is still managing. Because Nigeria is still staggering. So what do you want? You want to be living an uncertain life in an uncertain environment instead of certainty in an uncertain environment.